So the tendency of an object to remain in its existing state, let it be a state of rest or let it be a state of motion. So that existing state in which the object will continue to remain, that will be known as inertia. And that is why an object in stationary state remains in the same state and an object in motion remains in the state of motion in the absence of an external force. Now we'll see the types of inertia. So first one is inertia of the state of rest. Now what happens into it? An object in the state of rest cannot change its state of rest due to its inherent property, as we saw into the case of coin. The coin was not moving and it did not move along with the card, but it simply fell down into the bowl or into the glass if we'll be taking that. Then inertia of motion, the inherent property of an object due to which its state of motion cannot change is called its inertia of motion. Now the best example is given into the book, and that is a revolving electric fan, and it continues to revolve even after it is switched off. So you can notice that when you will on the fan it will move, and when you switch off the fan, still the blades of the fan will not come to rest but will keep on moving for a while, and then these are going to be stopped. Then passengers sitting in the running bus get a jerk in the forward direction if the bus suddenly stops. Now it can happen into a train also or into a bus, because we are into the state of continuous motion along with the bus or along with the train, whatever vehicle we are traveling in, and suddenly if that vehicle will be stopped, will get a jerk, forcefully will come forward or backward. So this is what we are going what these are the things what will happen with us, because we were into the state of motion. That so we were maintaining that inertia of motion, and because of that we got a jerk in the forward direction, and if the bus is stopping suddenly. So this is an example of inertia of motion. Now directional inertia. Now the inherent property of an object due to which the object cannot change the direction of its motion is called directional inertia. For example, a vehicle in motion along a straight line. Now if a vehicle is moving along a straight line, suddenly if it is taking a turn, the passengers sitting in it will be thrown into opposite direction of the turning, because they were maintaining their state of motion along with the vehicle into a straight line. Suddenly the vehicle took a turn, and because of that the passengers were thrown opposite to the direction of turning. So this is an example of directional inertia.